how to make Demon Slayer in Infinite Crafts. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can make a Demon Slayer in Infinite Craft. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to make a Demon Slayer in Infinite Craft, I have a formula over here which I'll make sure to drop in the description as well. You simply have to follow this formula. So first we're going to combine earth and water, which is going to form a plant over here, as you can see. Then we're going to add wind to this plant, which will form a dandelion. Then from dandelion, we're just going to add water, which is going to make a wine. And we have to combine wine with water. So let's just go ahead and do that. And that is going to form a holy water. Then after we are going to do that, we have to combine holy water with itself. So two holy waters combined together. That's going to form a holy lake. And again, holy lake plus holy water is going to form a holy grail. Then holy grail plus wind, it's going to form an Excalibur. And when you've done that, after you form Excalibur, then you can add some fire to it, which is going to form a sword. Then from sword, we're going to add wine to it, which is going to form a duel. Then from duel, we're going to add holy water to it, which is going to form exorcism. From exorcism, we're going to add a sword, which is going to finally form a demon slayer. And that's how you do it. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.